Okay, here we are again. I would say that this take profit that was called in the London session was actually spot on. What was the high? The high was 92.25. I called it to 89. Wow. That was cool. Kind of cool, I must say. That was kind of cool. All right. This was an awesome trade. Okay, gotta fix my coffee before I fall asleep. It's the afternoon now, but it's raining and it's cloudy and everything, so not the best weather, I must say. We're still looking for all-time highs, so yeah. Is ICT going to stream live today as well? Who knows? Is he going to take a trade? Everybody's gonna be wrecked again. Who knows? Who knows? I was thinking that maybe he did it on purpose. Maybe he did it on purpose. There's no other explanation. Okay. So this trade was a great one. Looking to enter long if we have a setup again. Otherwise, not so much. ES is also hovering at all-time highs. Well, not all-time highs, sorry, but still, we're pretty high. Went all the way up to 49.24 area. That was interesting. Alright guys, I'm gonna grab my coffee. I'll be right back, and please push the like button. Thank you. Hey there, Trader Oracle. Nice to see you. Okay, we're back. Good morning, Trader Oracle again. And everybody else who is here, please push the like and do subscribe if you haven't already. And as you can see, the London call turned out actually pretty good. Nice 2.7 to 6 risk reward, which is quite alright. No partials taken. I let this one ride all the way. Crypto Panda is here as well. Welcome, welcome. And applause again for everyone who's joining. So this is definitely the trade of the day. Also, I have to add that, let's see, that this trade actually took place from 3 a.m. ish all the way to 8 a.m. Oh my god. More than 5. Oh my god, more than 5 hours. Well, I was leaving the computer anyway, so all night for PT. Yeah. Well, I can tell you that this trade turned out quite nicely. So what I will be looking for is actually a nice trade. I'm hoping that we can see a break above. Yeah, green is green. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. I was also testing the indicator and made some nice profit today on that MetaTrader account. I'm gonna do a summary about that. Let me update this. So so far I'm using it 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and not even in a row because I didn't trade it for 2 or 3 days. But I must say, on average, win rate is good, profit factor is good, good risk reward ratio is 1-to-1. But I'm only risking like around $200 on a trade. This is a 50k account, and so far 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days with low risk, I made 2% by only trading 0.20, 0.2%, actually 0.5. No, even less. Yeah, no, 0.5%, sorry. Less than 0.5, 0.4, something like that. So it's actually good. I like that. I'm gonna do a summary about that too. So the indicators are working. I could not join the London session, but went back and checked your stream, and I can't believe you copy trade ICT and gave all profits. Yeah, I mean, hey, you know, I know. Well, let me explain it. Let me explain. First of all, I was looking for a breakout. I was definitely looking for a breakout on Nasdaq yesterday, to the upside, of course. I was extremely bullish. the whole day, and I did not want to take a trade first. I set it out, and so I let him. By the way, the lecture was great, and so he took the trade, lost it. Okay, he took the second one, lost it, and when he took the third one, or I don't even know, the fourth one. I'm not even sure how many he took, like 3 trades in a row. I think he took 3 trades. So the last trade, he was bullish. There is SMT right now. Divergence. Oh yeah, here. Yeah. On the 5-minute, left side is ES, right side is NQ. We do have an SMT right there. This was at 7:55. I'm gonna put one here. There you go, SMT divergence, guys. So if we go down to the 1-minute, you can look for an entry pattern if you want to. So after he took the third one, I was, yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah. So our right side is the 1 minute. I'm just looking for entries. If so, I'm not taking an entry before market open. So he took the third trade, and I was so bullish, and the gambler stepped in just a little bit and told me that, okay, he lost already 2 trades in a row, and this is the time that this is gonna be turning out good. I mean, you know, there's a saying in our country as well, third time is a charm. And I was extremely bullish. I couldn't hold myself. And when I saw him taking the buy, I went in with 1 full mini contract. I was so sure that we're gonna have that break. I mean, I was so sure that we have to go with the break. What was the level? At 585. It was what was the level? Or 485. Yeah, 485. This was the level right here that I was looking for. This. So I was so sure we were somewhere around here, maybe. I don't even know where we were. We were somewhere here. I don't know. So I was so sure that we are going to take the break, and I took a trade with a tight stop. Well, 15 points or something like that. I don't know what the hell was that. Anyway, took me out and lost $300. So that is what it is. What can we say? That's what happened. The gambler also, you know, talked a little bit from behind my back, and yeah. But so far, I'm having better and better results with the MetaTrader indicator. In fact, so good results that I'm actually putting together a mini course on that one. So that's it. This coffee is so good. It's so hot. It's cold outside, and I don't have the heat on right now. Okay. Push those likes, you know, guys. Wait, what indicator? I didn't. Oh yeah. You can check it out also in the recent, not the stream videos, but in my recent YouTube videos. I uploaded a video about a few days ago or last week, I don't know, about an indicator system, a set of indicators actually. It's nothing special. These are free indicators. I downloaded them from a forum. It has like 100 versions of this set of indicators. There's a guy who's managing the forum. He's the one who was coding it for MetaTrader. And it has like a dozen indicators, this set. And so this is on MetaTrader. I'm going to show you right here. So this is the indicator. This is a MetaTrader demo server, so nothing special for testing purposes. And this indicator, I took this trade here. And so this is the indicator that I'm testing. It is a combination of multiple indicators, but basically it's an exponential moving average. It's an RSI, a modified RSI. It has the fractals, and it has zigzag indicator. So these are the four main part of the system. It is custom coded for MetaTrader. It has like literally it has, I think, 80 something versions of this on the forum. And if you check out the video, you can download any of the versions you like. I've put together my set of files to MetaTrader, and I was testing it because one of my friends here in Hungary, in my country, is using it with very good results. And he told me that I should be testing it because he's making good profits, and he is making good profits with it. So I gave it a try since last year November. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna put everything out there in a separate video this week. This week there's gonna be a separate video about the results. I'm doing well, very good with the indicators. I was testing it on MetaTrader, but it's good for future prop firms as well. You just have to download MetaTrader, register for a free demo account, put the indicator on Nasdaq or whatever. It's a CFD, so it's going to be called US 100 or NAS 100 or whatever. And I'm using it only also on the Russell 2000 or US 2000, but you can use it on the Dow Jones, whatever. And it's providing great results, but I'm using it in Confluence strictly with smart money concepts. So I'm not strategy hopping and not anything like that. I'm still staying, and I will be staying with the ICT concepts. That is a fact. I was just surprised that if I added the indicator to the concepts, when I was, I was looking for the trade, I was having a bias, and I was looking for some entry setup, and I put the indicator in. It helped me refine those entries. I would say it was great. It was a great experience. As I said, I'm still testing it with very good results, and yeah, that's what I'm having right now. Mostly using it with a 1-to-1 risk reward. Did not test it with 1-to-2 or whatever. I'm just doing it with a 1-to-1. It has over 60%, 60 something percent profitability. There's exact rules I outlined myself implementing ICT concepts, most likely the U2 2022 model, and it's looking great. I never thought I'd say this, because since 7 years I have not been using indicators of any kind, and I didn't really thought that this is gonna be doing so well. Oh, by the way, ES had this SMT divergence, so ES is popping higher, as you can see, but the lack of volume and everything, I wasn't sure to enter a trade or not. So, and we are before the market opens, so no entry for me before market open. So yeah. I think we should be popping into all-time high on NQ. And by the way, if someone is new here, oh yeah, I was I was reading something about that. I think somewhere there was some news. Oops, some news came out the other. I mean. I think their earnings are at Netflix went up straight. I don't know how much, but there were definitely some positive results. Yesterday, okay. 10%. Let me check the chart price. NFLX, right? Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah, it's going up nicely. Nice, nice, nice. I get it. Vis-a-vis is just like Nvidia. Yeah. Well, those are definitely the ones that are pulling the index futures up. So I'm gonna be watching closely how this does here. Trying to go again for the 706. Hold on a second. Okay. So yeah, look at that. NQ is trying to make that push. Sold them before the close. Oh. By the way, Crypto Panda, that is interesting because I also want to look into trading with stocks. I just don't know where to begin. So any tips for someone? I have never traded stocks. I know people who are trading, but I never traded with stocks. Any advice or tips? Where should I begin? What company, what firm should I start with? What should I be looking for, or anything? Do you have any tips for me as a brand new trader in stocks? What should I do? Should I just go with one stock, or I don't know. I'm not saying I'm gonna be trading stocks here, but never say never. But it's definitely quite enough for me to trade these. But on the sidelines, on the demo account maybe, or somewhere, I don't know if there's a possibility to trade with demo on some of these brokerages. I'm looking into it, definitely. Let me know if you have any tips or anything where to begin. What? Check X if you have Webull available or interactive brokers. Okay. I actually opened an account with interactive brokers, but I never used it. I don't know if it's still alive there. I don't know. For stocks, yeah. I tried to overcome the platform, but it was so difficult for me. I'm not a computer geek, and you know, the platform was definitely difficult with interactive brokers. Thinkorswim, yeah, I heard about them as well. Thinkorswim. Someone told me, who is an option trader, that I should not trade options while I'm trading futures. If I'm doing well with futures, I should be staying with futures. But stock market is a different thing. That's what they told me, actually. So seems like ICT might be pulling the trigger as well. Started live streaming. Now nobody's going to watch the stream. Yeah, stick to one. Yeah. They said if I'm trading futures, I should not be trading options, or vice versa, but futures is much more calm and much. I mean, I don't know because I haven't traded options, but this guy told me that it's definitely a little bit less stressful than options, because with options you can go absolutely nuts. And if you screw up everything real hard, you can end up you have to pay for the brokerage for the extra loss or something like that. I don't know. I was pretty much focusing on Forex and futures in the past years, and I haven't really dived into stocks or options. I think it's more than enough for me, futures and Forex. It's simple. I'm a dinosaur. So, options time and price is your enemy. Yeah. Of course, and also true, vice versa. I mean, if you nail it, you can make super huge amount of profits on options. They told me that too. I mean, you can actually build huge capital with options, but you can also lose your ass. So I'm not willing to do that. Yes, time is against you. They told me that time can be my enemy real quick. If I don't know what I'm doing, then the time is going to eat my account. But if you're on the right side, they also told me, then you're definitely making bank. So, yeah. So market is about to open. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Not looking for anything in particular. The only thing I'm looking for is to pop to the 706. On the 1 minute, we are repricing a fair value gap. Market is open in a little bit more than 3 minutes. So nothing significant. So let's see. What can we do here? I'm going to be very curious if these indicators are going to help me out right now. Actually, I do have an entry I might take. As I said, the problem is that we're just before market open here. Let me know what you guys think. Please drop a like, do subscribe, check out my latest videos, and I'm very eager to share with you all the mini course which I'm preparing already for the indicator in confluence with ICT concepts or smart money concepts, whichever you like. Whichever suits you better. Could be seeing crazy price action at market open, so let's watch. All right, market is about to open. I am going to actually Let's look at it. Watch this closely. The opening bell is almost ready. Cover your ears. It's gonna be super loud. Super loud. So lower the volume, cover your ears. I don't know how to lower this part at me, but market is almost open and we can see a huge rally to the upside here, or a straight dump to the darkness, to the abyss. Let's see how it goes. All right, so cover your ears. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, market is open for business. Let's see how is everything doing. All right. The Russell is dropping. NQ is still holding, but I'm not sure for how long. I have no idea. But, you know. Let's see if we want to reprice some lower levels here and then go to the moon. Who knows? We're going down. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Let's see how we gonna do. NQ is dropping straight down. We might gonna take out this low here at 655, so watch out for that. I think we're gonna take that out. Not sure though. But so far it seemed like it. So be careful. No trades so far. No trade. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting if this one wants to take this low out. Hunt for some stops maybe. Or is it going to go straight forward to the upside? Is it going to go for the lows there? So let's see. Nothing yet. So guys, there's nothing to go with yet. Nothing yet so far. It might try to go up. So let's be patient. Let's wait for it, guys. Let's just wait for it. Nothing. Nothing on the 1 minute. I was checking the 1 minute as well. I have no trades. All I see is that it repriced, took out some levels, nothing serious, did not manage to take out this low yet. It might be heading for that all-time high. I don't know. I'm not sure. Who knows? Nobody knows that. So, yeah. But be careful, you know. On these levels, you have to be careful. It can be taking out these lows here. Not entering to anything yet until we're not seeing a clear direction. Okay, took out that low, which is awesome. Now, this can be actually a game changer, because if it starts to make lower lows here, I mean market structure shift, then, you know, this can be a crazy situation. Everybody's aiming for that high, but it seems like, first of all, it wants to clear those levels down there, which is logical. So maybe we have a possible reversal, who knows, or we're gonna dump lower and lower and lower. ES actually did not make a new low here. That doesn't mean it won't, but, you know. Zoltan, hey there. Welcome, welcome. Applause. Well, it seems like it wants to go lower for now. So let's just wait and see. I think it can go all the way down. This can be a huge sell-off while everybody was waiting for that high. It's just taking out these lows, sweeping liquidity, and who knows what's gonna happen next, you know. This is crazy price action, guys. Super crazy price action. So be careful. Looking at the 1 minute as well. Nothing so far on the 1 minute. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Took out some lows. Pre-New York session lows taken. Not sure if this was the goal the whole time, but no trades, guys. No trades. If anything, it looks like it still wants to dump. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just go all the way down to the midnight open. That would be real crazy. That would be really, really crazy if we would just go back down there. No entry on the 1 minute. There's no order blocks or anything to support this move. Let me check the 15-minute chart. Yeah, nothing down there. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing to... Actually, it can dump all the way. All the way. If I would have to guess, I'd say we can just drop like super crazy. Uh, 664 bearish order block on the 15. I can check it. Let's check it. You said 664 bearish order block. Yes, that can be a bearish order block, but we would need that order block to close below. This candle should close below 655.50. So we have to close below this swing right there, and then it should be a good confirmation. Now it feels like a sell model right now, market maker sell model. It definitely looks like it on the 1 minute. If you go to the 1 minute, it's just repricing, taking the bearish order block, taking the fair value gaps, going lower and lower. So it is definitely looks like a market maker sell model right now that is in place. Very, very dangerous to go long now. They want to squeeze all the longs. All the bulls are gonna get squeezed super hard because everybody sees that level. Everybody. So your order block theory is actually correct, but we need to close in the next little bit more than 5 minutes below the swing, which I think is gonna happen. I think it should happen and will happen eventually. This is on the 1 minute. It's like a sell model, definitely. Look at the 1 minute. Look at this, like perfect. Repricing, order block. This is absolutely a sell model right now. I just don't know where the target is. The target should be down there somewhere in the midnight open area. I don't know. I was scared to jump in right after market open because I just want more confirmation. But it can be a bear trap too. It can be a possible bear trap, so be careful. I'm gonna go back to the 5 minute here. Let me reload this data here. Okay. So on the 5 minute, it's very tricky. Very, very, very tricky on the 5 minute. 15 minute is pulling back up. So we're just gonna wait. Let me know what you guys think. SMT, yes, it does look like it. This low is lower, so that means that we could be having some kind of a bullish reaction on the 1 minute on ES. If ES breaks lower here, then there's no SMT here. Then the SMT is garbage right now. But so far, well, it was 855. Yeah. So if it breaks lower, like one handles lower, then the SMT is out of the window. If ES makes a new low here. Let's see. Almost. Oh, there you go. SMT is... There's no SMT. SMT just gone. ES made a new low as well. But if we look at it differently, there's an SMT here as well. And let's check it. There you go. As you can see. So if you look at on the 1 minute, and if you were going for the SMT divergence on ES, then that was your short entry right there. Around the 920 area, 921, 920.50, 75, somewhere around there. This should have been your entry. Stop is only 3 handles. TP should be 15, 915, so go for 5 handles if you can. But on the 1 minute, ES was good for an SMT short. So yeah, this is definitely interesting. The 15-minute candle is closing in 1 minute. if we're closing above 655, then that's not a strong bearish signal. If we're closing below 55, then that would be a very clean signal for the shorts. So be careful. It's going up. 33 seconds. Now 30 seconds. It all depends on where the 15-minute candle is going to close, I think. 20 more seconds. Come on, let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What a move. What a move, guys. This is short. This is a short move, definitely. What a move. Well, I mean, the 15-minute candle closed 54.25, guys. And the low of this candle here is, the low of this candle is 55.50. So the 15-minute candle closed bearish. That's not the good sign. That's not a good sign. News. 9:45. We have news? Totally forgot. Totally forgot the news. Oh yeah, flash manufacturing PMI. Okay, never mind. That's some news. Still, let's see what it does. Is it going to go back up? I would say we would still need, if someone wants to take a short, I would be careful with it, but the 5-minute looks good for a short, but we have to go above 63.25. So this has to go above 63.25, and that's going to be a risky short. But what is this? This is actually a bearish breaker. This is a bearish breaker here on the 5-minute. So guys, bearish breaker right here on the 5. Let's delete that. No, not that. Not that. But there you go. It's almost like a bearish breaker. There. So now we go into that, and it's the time to go short if someone wants to risk it for the biscuit. We have SMT divergence with ES, so it looks good for a short. It tapped into the fair value gap, so if someone wants to go short, this is your opportunity, I guess. But I don't know. I'm not in any trade. I made such a good trade in the London session. I'm not sure I want to lose it all. So I'm gonna be patient for now. I used to be impatient, and I'm gonna wait. Okay. Let's see. Now it's going down. So if you took the short on the fair value gap, kudos. You could be all right. No signal on the indicator so far. The 1 minute is also good for a short, but very dangerous, close to these highs. I don't know what to do. I'm still waiting. I'm gonna wait for the silver bullet hour. Now it might be starting to dump. ES is dropping, so yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Please drop a like as well. And also, if you want to grab a discounted account, trading account, just go for Apex with 80% discount. That's the cheapest one right now. Grab your code until January 29, and you can also pass it in 1 day. Okay. Yeah, that's the news. NQ is pulling back into the bearish breaker. All right. Let's just keep on monitoring this one. So far, I have no interest to do anything. I'm not trusting the breaker just yet. It's because we're so close to all-time historical highs. That's the only reason. I'm not trusting the bearish breaker right now. So, I don't know. Please push the like button until we're waiting. Thank you. So, yeah, look at that. It's still repricing. Let me check the 1 minute real quick. 1 minute bearish order block. So far, it's resisting the upper move. If you go to the 1 minute, there's a bearish order block. It's resisting. It could be sending it lower. Who knows? And there's another bearish order block at 79-ish. It definitely looks bearish. So we're definitely just watching. Just watching. I want to see the clean draw on liquidity right now. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna turn on the lights here in the room and close the curtains. I'll be back in 20 seconds. Just give me a little bit of time. Somebody subscribed. Somebody subscribed. Claudio Rodriguez. Thank you so much for the subscription. Hit the like all. Thank you so much. Wow, this is awesome. I think Claudio deserves an applause. Thank you for the subscription. So we're just gonna wait how price is going to react to this bearish breaker. That's all we're gonna do. Because we're so much in these all-time highs, you know, this can be tricky. This can be a very, very, very tricky scenario. Definitely if we're going for those highs, but if this is a bull trap, then, you know, that can also happen. So nothing yet. I'm watching the weekly chart again. How far can we go? Who knows? We're just so close to that historical high that price might want to try to take it out. You know, that is such a strong level, so that's why we're having some trouble here. Let me know what you guys think. We have no idea what they want to do right now. Okay, let's wait it out. I have no other option for this scenario, just to wait it out. As for SMT divergence, it's 550, 550. Where's the 550 level? Right here. NQ made a lower low on the 5-minute chart. So as for SMT divergence, we can see this, such as this. There. So this means that ES could be making a move higher on the 1 minute. It made a slight structure break, not that strong, no fair value gap or anything on the 1 minute with ES. Could be a trap. Have to be careful with this one. Let's reload it. Okay. So as you can see, if ES is going to make a move lower to below 49.12, then that would be a clear sign. They are technically decoupled pretty much. We're just waiting. Just waiting. All right, almost 10 o'clock. Excuse me. Let's see where they want to take us. Okay, they might want to drop it. Checking some indicators. Nothing so far that interests me. Definitely looking very dangerous here. Where could be the draw on liquidity? That's the big question. Also, the big question is NQ going to have the strength to pull everything north? Okay. ES is making new low. Almost. Well, technically it did. Which one? The low here was 1250. And the low here is 12. So it made a new low. Let's see what it wants to do here. Now, this is again, well, not that clear. So 35, 10. Not that clear, but almost another SMT there. ES is dropping, so we could be having that reaction from the bearish breaker that we were looking for. But the problem is, I mean, I did not take it because we're so close to these highs. In fact, if it's going to drop furthermore, it's cool. I'm going to search for another level maybe for liquidity. But where can it be? Well, most likely below 616. There's an hourly fair value gap there. But nothing else. So far, nothing. You know, I feel the temptation, but I just don't know. I mean, if the question arises, yesterday I think CryptoPanda or someone else, I don't know, maybe Zoltan, somebody told me in the chat, if the I think it was Zoltan, if the question arises, then you should not be taking the trade. If you have second doubts of, you know, you're starting to doubt yourself, what if this and that going to happen? Despite that, this and this going to happen, you know, if you're asking yourself these kind of questions, that's the indication that you should not take the trade. All right, now it's dropping. Now it's a clean drop. So the bearish breaker, now it's working. Okay. I like this because we can anticipate a move right down to 616 levels maybe. I'd like to see that actually. Let me check it on the 1 hour. Let me check the 1 hour. Yeah, 600. Low is 617 actually. It can go absolutely down there. ES is still dropping. Looking bearish. On the 1 minute is retracing back to a fair value gap at 55, above 56 actually. It might dump from there. But nothing. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Not in a trade. But if it goes down, it should not be stopping all the way down to 617. Let me check the 1 hour. Let me check the 1 hour. Look at those wick NQ on the 15 minute. Yeah, let's look at it closer together. Yeah, look at this 15-minute chart. Wow. This is such a resistance. Such a huge resistance there. Look at this. That's why I said I don't like this. I mean, as far as we're not taking out these highs, I don't like the short. I'm not favoring it. So look at this. I told you guys, be careful. It can be a bear trap. It can be a bear trap. It's gonna take out that high. I feel like it. Okay. Internal highs taken. Internal highs taken. Yes, exactly. So this is also a point of decision of where it wants to continue. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. What a strange reaction. Who would have thought? Who would have thought so? How is ICT doing? Somebody wrote that he took a trade. All right. Okay. Let's just wait and see. So my theory is that we can still go for the all-time high. Just waiting. No idea. No idea what it wants to do, but feels bullish. Like sellers are trapped in this bearish breaker. And now nobody knows what's gonna happen. Yeah. Look at that. Would you look at that? Going for all-time highs here. Watching the 1 minute as well. No entry on the 1 minute so far. We're getting very, very, very close here. It's now or never, I think. Look at it. It's now or never. It's gonna go for it, most likely. It's going for it. And I think if it goes for it, it can even go way above into the 750s, or who knows how far. Just waiting. First TP 92.5. 92.5. Oh, you hit that. Congratulations. Very nice. Oh my god, it's so good. That's awesome. Where's the applause? Why is it not showing up? Applause to the man, Crypto Panda. Congratulations. This was a real tricky one. Congratulations there. Still going. This is still going. Look at that. It's still going up there. Almost there, guys. Almost at new all-time high. Let's get it, everyone. Let's get it. Almost there. Almost there, everyone. Almost there. Come on, come on. We can make it together. We can make it together. We can be there together. 701, 702. I'm not in a trade, but it's exciting. I want to see that 706.75 to be broken. I want it to be broken. Oh, look at that. Oh. 400 up with only micros. Nice, Crypto Panda. That is huge. Awesome. Congratulations again. As you can see, by only trading. Oh, look at that. We took that. We took that trade. Okay, nice. Nice. All-time high booked, guys. All-time high has been booked. All-time high has been taken. So we are making history, guys. This is history. Yes. Guys, right now we are making history and we are having an SMT divergence. Definitely we're having an SMT divergence, which means that ES could be the one, which is the weaker one, could be going for a short. This was awesome. This was awesome to see, making history here. I'm gonna watch ES to the left if it makes some kind of a short entry to take. I would be interested. I would be interested. It can still go higher. It can go all the way up to the 50s. So all the way up to the 50s, guys. It can definitely just spike it up. What a move. What a move, making history here. Better be careful on these levels. All right. Oops, sorry. This was my other indicator. I want to check. Something real quick on this indicator that I use. Do we have some kind of a... Okay, now look at that. Now it's breaking lower a little bit. I don't know. So no SMT entry just now. No short entry on ES right now. Question is it going to follow NQ or is it just going to dump and we can have our SMT short? That's the big question. That's the big question. All right, still waiting. NQ might be repricing, I don't know. Short at 708. You're short at 708? Nice, dude. It's kind of like a turtle soup almost. Well, 1 micro is, yeah, don't give it all back if something is not turning out right. But hey, that's a good point to go short. Maybe it can go all the way down below 689 to reprice this gap here on the 5 minute. So that's a good entry, actually. Depending on your strategy, of course, or what you're looking for. Market is extremely bullish. But I don't know, it's all because of Netflix or something. I don't know, it's hard to tell. I don't know what's going on. Nvidia and Netflix should be the ones that are pulling it up so hard. I don't know what's happening. Even ES doesn't really want to give an SMT short, so unfortunately I'm flat, so I have no trades. The only trade I had is from the London session, so I have no trades. No trades. My strategy is make dollars. So far, it's not working very well, but we keep trying. Hey, listen, all that matters is that don't give up. Just go and do it. Whatever happens. Look at that. NQ is still climbing slowly. I don't know what the hell is going on here. Oh, okay. NQ is finally going. So as I said, we can visit the 750s, but I wonder if ES is going to hold it here, or who knows. Anyway. Oh yeah. Hey there, Naga. How you doing? I'm not sure I'm gonna take a trade yet. I'm still waiting. Shinsha. I hope I pronounce your name well. I'm still waiting because I just have no setup. I'm watching the 1 minute. There was no fair value gap that was all right. So sometimes I wait for an hour or 2 hours to take a trade. So no trades yet. I wish I could tell you I have a trade. ICT has a trade. I was just reading on the other Discord. I'm watching. I think ICT is in a long trade on ES. I think, but somebody wrote that he already lost one. He already has a stop loss, and now he's long on ES. Let me check. But you know, I'm I would like to take a trade, but there is no entry. I have no target. Above here is uncharted territory on Nasdaq. Absolutely uncharted territory. The only thing we can do maybe is to go with ES, but Nasdaq is definitely like a black hole up here. Nobody knows. Nobody knows where it can go. Nobody. Hold on, quick phone call. All right. Just a quick phone call. Nothing super serious. No trades anyway, so nothing to take here. Actually, it's even almost worse than yesterday. Please, if you can, drop a like and consider to subscribe. Although this right here, Nasdaq, is uncharted territory, so be careful. I have no idea what it wants to do, so no setup for me right now. Okay, well, no movement whatsoever. I think it's just bull crap right now. So I don't think I'm gonna waste my time here, because it's just wasting time. I think if we just sit here for now, it's just a waste of time, because there's just not going to be a trade in the silver bullet hour. The 1 minute is crap. If you check the 1 minute chart on Nasdaq, it's a total mess. And ES is stuck. I bet the next 30 minutes is gonna be like absolute nothing. The best chance for us to trade is maybe in the PM session. Nasdaq can, as I said, Nasdaq can go all the way up to the 50s. It's too high to go long and too high to go short. And ES is just ES. So ES is total unpredictable right now. So guys, as much as I'd like to, I don't like to. I want to cut the stream. No trades. I'm flat, and I had a good trade in London session. I called it out. I'm not going to take a trade in this. I'll cover your ears and take the kids away. This price action is bullshit right now. So NQ, if you're taking a long here, you're crazy. I'm sorry. If you're taking a short, again, uncharted territory. So what should we do? Sit to the sidelines and do nothing. That's the only thing we can do. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, check my videos, and I'll be back in the London session. Let's hope something happens. Maybe just a slight chance to do a stream in the PM session. I'm not used to do that, but anyway, I'm gonna do some real stuff IRL instead of watching this. I don't know what to call this price action anyway. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and again, see you guys tomorrow, at least in the London session. So have a good time. Cheers, everyone.